Creating a business plan can feel overwhelming, but breaking it down makes it manageable. Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting a compelling business plan for startups. Start with an executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, so keep it concise. Summarize your business idea, mission, and what sets you apart. Think of it as the hook that grabs attention. Next, dive into the company description. Here, detail what your business does, your target market, and your unique selling proposition. This section should paint a clear picture of your business's purpose and vision. Now, it's time for market analysis. Research your industry, target market, and competitors. Highlight trends, market size, and potential growth. This shows investors that you understand the landscape and have a strategy to navigate it. Then, outline your organization and management structure. Include information about your team, their roles, and how their expertise contributes to the business. A strong team can instill confidence in potential investors. After that, focus on your products or services. Describe what you're offering, how it benefits customers, and any unique features. If applicable, include details about your product lifecycle and any research and development efforts. Next up is marketing and sales strategies. Explain how you plan to attract and retain customers. Discuss your pricing strategy, advertising channels, and sales tactics. This section should demonstrate that you have a solid plan to generate revenue. Now, let's talk about funding requests. If you're seeking funding, clearly outline how much you need and how you plan to use it. Be specific about your financial projections and the timeline for achieving your goals. Following that, include financial projections. This should cover income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. Investors want to see realistic forecasts that show your business's potential for profitability. Lastly, wrap it up with an appendix. This is where you can include any additional documents that support your business plan, like resumes, permits, or legal agreements.